Shakira, get over here. I'm out here on Terrio Lake here in my kayak with my little girl Shakira. There she is. She already got herself a dip in the water there before she got in the kayak and was all wet. It's a beautiful spot out here in Terrio Lake. First time I took Shakira kayaking in my kayak with me, I was out here at Terrio Lake, and was in the deepest part of the lake over by the island there, just off the island. And she had her paws up on the boat there and looking out as I was paddling along, and I just happened to turn my head for a second, and all of a sudden I heard this splash. I turned around and looked. Here she had jumped in the water. She'd never been in the water before, except in the sink for a bath. I was thinking to myself, man, I hope you don't drown. I hope you can do the dog paddle. By the time I got my kayak turned around so I could grab her, she was doing the dog paddle. I thought to myself, thank God. If you had sunk to the bottom of the lake, that was it. It was game over. I was so glad she could do the dog paddle, because I didn't know if she could or not. Well, it scared the life out of me there for a minute. She was just a puppy. She was just, I don't know, I don't even think she was 6 months old. But, yeah, scared me.